Hi crafty friends, welcome to the Crafty Seas. Today we'll be showing you how you can make these super fun friend-shaped cards using the Crafter's Companion friend die set, and we'll also be sharing a crafty VR for the lovely Lisa, Crafting Diva Lisa. So stay tuned and we'll show you how. And this is a great way to show you different ways that you can use the one die set to create many different crafty projects. And today we'll be creating this lovely pink pastel shaped friend card for Lisa's giveaway. So let's get crafting. So to create your shaped card base, you'll need to get a piece of A4 paper or any cardstock, and we're going to cut it down to 8 inches by 9 inches. So it's really handy, you can just use a piece of A4 cardstock, and as we're using this as a card base, I would advise that you'd use something of a good weight. 210 GSM would be ideal. So we've cut that to 8 inches by 9 inches, and on the 8-inch side we're going to score at 4 inches. So we're going to score it in half on the short side, and this is going to create our card blank. So we're just going to score and burnish that and fold it in half. So that's 8 by 9 scored in half, and that's our card blank. Next we're going to grab the largest die from the Crafter's Companion set, and we're going to line that up onto our card blank, and you want to hang the top of the die over the edge like so. And that's what's going to create our shaped card base. So just run that through your die machine, and when it comes out it will look like this. So we have the outline and it's shaped in a card blank and it's on the tent fold. So next up we're going to need some papers to create the decoration. So for on top our mat we are going to use this pretty pink textured linen cardstock, and that's from the Crafter's Companion Luxury Mixed Cardstock, and we're going to run that through the die cutting machine, and you just need to snip along the top here to separate it from the die, and that will layer on top of our card blank like so. Next up we're going to grab the friend word die and some patterned papers from our stash, and we've chosen the lovely vintage butterflies collection from Crafter's Companion, and we've chose the papers with the lovely pink colourways, and that's because Lisa's giveaway had the beautifulest pink heart romantic theme, and I'll tell you more about that as we get on in the video. So what we're going to do is cut the friend die out of our patterned paper, and for a layer and a drop shadow we're also going to cut it out in a piece of gold Centura card at the same time. So we've got our patterned one, and we're just going to run that out a couple more times on the gold. So we have our two large dies, and we're just going to layer that on top of each other, slightly offset to create a gold drop shadow. And next up we're going to cut out our crafty element, and this is a lovely die set that we purchased recently online. It has the stamp set and the matching dies. So we are going to use one of the dies and some of that gold Centura cardstock, and we're going to cut that word crafty out a few times and layer it all up together so we've got a nice sturdy die cut. And now we should have all the elements that we'll need to create this fun shaped friend card. All we need to do now is to stick it together and add some beautiful gems for embellishments. And while I'm putting the card together, I'm going to tell you a little more about the lovely Lisa's giveaway challenge. Lisa Crafting Diva is hosting a giveaway to celebrate reaching 650 subscribers on her channel. So a huge congratulations, Lisa. And Lisa is a very talented crafter. She makes paper crafts, cards, and takes part in a lot of collaborations and challenges. And she also hosts some challenges as well, such as the One Sketch Challenge, giving you lots of inspiration on how to get crafting and use your crafty stash. So if you're not subscribed to the lovely Lisa, please pop over to her channel and also check out her giveaway video where she has made the most beautiful prize package as a prize, and it's all colour coordinated and thematic and lovely romantic hearts and roses. So we've decided to use the lovely vintage butterfly pink paper pads to reflect the beautiful prize that Lisa has created for her giveaway. So we hope you like this project, and that was part of the giveaway. You didn't have to send anything for Lisa. All Lisa would like you to do is create a fun, crafty project inspired by her giveaway and share it on your channel. So this is a project that we've chosen to make for our crafty friend Lisa, and I hope you like the project that we're making today. And if you have this die set, Monica Quilling Lady also does a tutorial on her channel using it, so there's plenty of inspiration out there for you to get crafting. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, we'll show you a few other cards that we've made using this die set as well to get you inspired. So this is the card almost finished. We decided to cut another pink layer using the large outer die to create a mat for the inside of our card and stamp a lovely sentiment inside. And this lovely sentiment says, "Friendship isn't a big thing, it's a million little things." And we were kindly gifted this stamp from Christine from Christine's Cards and Things. And it's so nice to be part of this lovely crafting community and make all these lovely crafty friendships. We truly appreciate every single one of our subscribers and everyone who watches our video and takes the time to leave us a comment, a like and subscribe. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much. So here's the finished Crafty Friend card, and we've made a matching envelope to go with the card. And we just used the large outline die to decorate it. So that's using the friend die from Crafter's Companion. We also made the same card in a different colourway. This one is the wisteria papers and the purple linen cardstock, and we've lined it with a coordinating paper. And that's the plain shaped card. But this die is quite versatile. You can also use this die to make easel cards and shaker cards. So the next card we've made is a shaped easel card, and you use the exact same process that I showed you to make the plain shaped card. You just score your base in half and add an extra shaped part on top. And this gives you this beautiful showstopper shaped easel card. Isn't that fantastic? And here we've made this one a little bit masculine with the orange and gold papers and the beer foam stickers as stoppers. And you think that's fabulous. Again, we've made a matching envelope in orange pearlescent card. So what do you think? Do you like this card? And last up, we made a beautiful shaker sign. Now you could make this a card as well, but we've decided to make it a hanging sign for our crafty friends craft room. And we've used some acetate, some gold card, some black foam, some beautiful sequin shakers, some gold ribbon from our stash, and some lovely gold embellishments in bees, butterflies and leaves. So you can let us know in the comment section below, have you ever used your dies to make some home decor or signs? We love to hear from you. And do you have a favourite out of the 4 makes that we've made using the Crafter's Companion friend die? Please pop over to the lovely Crafting Diva Lisa's channel for more information on her giveaway. If you've enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe and ring that bell to be notified the next time we make a video. Until next time, happy crafting!